Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese quesadillas using corn tortillas. Yay! I know corn tortillas are the not most popular tortillas in the world. People tend to order things with the flour tortillas, but I'm going to show you and tell you why these are superior, in my opinion, to the flour tortilla and why you should start buying them as well. So first of all, these are, so this is a flour tortilla, this is a corn tortilla, a little bit bigger. So of course it's going to have a little more calories for that reason alone. But this one is 100 calories as opposed to this corn tortilla, which is only 40. So you could eat 2 corn tortillas for 80 calories as opposed to 1 flour tortilla for 100 calories. On top of that, so this is the flour tortilla package. Flour tortillas have 1.5 grams of saturated fat as opposed to the corn tortilla, which has 0 grams of saturated fat. Saturated fat is the kind of fat that you don't want. It's bad for the heart. You want to try to reduce it as much as possible. So for those 2 reasons, so nutritionally, I find the corn tortilla superior to the flour tortilla. In addition though, besides all that, to me, I like the corn tortilla better. This has not always been the case. We used to buy these for enchiladas and that's it. I never ate these in a quesadilla or a taco or anything like that. But over time, I have really learned to like these. I used to make these from scratch, which tastes even better. And I think that's what made me like these now. But who has the time to make them at home, right? So I make them now and then as a treat. It takes too much time though. But these are a good substitute. I just like that they have a little bit more bite. They actually taste like corn and they just have this earthy flavor. I just really like these so much more than flour tortillas. I'm not just saying that because I'm a nutritionist and I really want you to eat these. No, I really like the taste much better. Now it took me some time, wasn't always like that, like I've said before, but I really like these now. I'm gonna show you what you can do with these, and I hope at the end you will like these as well, or at least have them once in a while, because it's really about having a variety of foods. So not always, I try to always mix it up. Don't always buy the things with the white flour, the white enriched flour. Mix it up, have the cornmeal, have the farro, have the grain, the different grains, the different fruits, the different vegetables, because each vegetable and fruit and each food item has different benefits and they also have different nutritional values. And when you mix it up, you ensure that you're getting all the different nutrients your body needs, rather than always eating the same things. Because we also know this is the same flour that's in pasta, that's in white bread, that's in English muffins. When you're getting the regular English muffins, white flour is in everything. So I always encourage my clients to kind of mix it up, eat different flours. So this is one step in the right direction. So hopefully by the end of this, you will like my cheese quesadillas. They're also cheaper. So many reasons to switch to these now and then. And I guarantee you love these as well. So we're going to start off with a cheese quesadilla. I'm going to make these very simple and quick. I'm going to use cilantro for a little green. This time I have Monterey Jack cheese. Usually I use cheddar cheese, whatever cheese you have in hand. I'm really not that picky when it comes to that. I usually use scallions, but I didn't realize I didn't have any, so I'm going to use this red onion today. It'll add a little bit of a color, which is nice. If you like a little kick, of course, add a little jalapeno. And I'm going to show you how to make it really spicy and how to just add a little bit of kick by using just the outside, okay? This is up to you. You may leave them out completely if you're not into spicy things. Either way, it'll still taste delicious. So here we go. Okay, I kind of messed up. I already mixed the cheese with the cilantro, but that's all I did, I promise. So you have a cup of grated cheese. I use the Monterey Jack cheese. A lot of times I use cheddar, which is the same to me. And then I added some chopped, washed, fresh cilantro and mixed it up. So I couldn't undo it. So I got a step ahead. I hope that's okay. And now we're gonna add some salt and pepper, a little bit of red onion, and a little bit of jalapeno for a kick. So I'm gonna start off with the red onion. So I usually just cut it in half. Like I said, a lot of times I use scallions. I just didn't have any, but this will add a nice color. So I think this will be just as good. Okay, I hate peeling these. Okay. There, if you know any tricks on how to do this quickly, let me know. So here's my red onion. So we're gonna chop these really, really small because I don't like big chunks of onion in any food I eat or garlic. So I'm gonna just cut this really small. Okay, and that's it. It's up to you how much you want to add to that. I'm always very, how do you say it? Ad libidium. And as much or as little as you like. I think for this one, oh, here's a little skin. I'm going to add maybe like 2 tablespoons of red onion. And it really looks so pretty. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be so good. It looks so fresh, colorful. Awesome. I like it. Okay, I have the choice. I actually picked up one of these red ones. I don't see these a lot. Maybe I'll use these instead of the green one. So I just cut a little bit of the side of the skin. I'm leaving all the seeds in here in case they're too hot for me. I'm just using the end. And you see the little rib in here? I'm going to cut those out. I'm going to cut the rib out because that is also the spicy part. So if you like it spicy, definitely leave it in. I also don't like seeds in mine, so definitely won't have that. So I'm going to chop these up really tiny as well. I always use a cast iron skillet for this. It just browns them perfectly and you get some iron while you're doing this. So here's my corn tortilla. I'm putting this in. I've already heated this kind of as a medium to high heat. And so I touch it like that. If you can't touch it, use a, spatula. Oh, this one's not good. Yeah, we'll do another one. Okay, corn tortilla here. Put it in a hot pan, and you're just going to wait till it's nicely browned and a bit crisp. I don't walk away because I've burned these so many times. Stay with it. Be patient. So I'm actually, since we're going to fill it up, I'm just going to heat it a little bit. Then I'm going to add my cheese filling. Mainly to the middle, and I'll spread it out a little bit so it's evenly filled up. Okay, and then I'm going to use my top corn tortilla to close it up. And actually I need a spatula. Okay, got my spatula, kind of pressing on it. It's going to heat really quickly. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So here we go, and the next one is a little bit too smoky for me. I turned down the heat a little bit. So I want to turn both of them. See that nicely brown right there? That's how you want it. And then sometimes I turn the middle. This is just to kind of warm them up. And then I'm going to add the filling. That's what you want to look at, what to look like. Okay, I want to add the filling on this. This is about how much I put in there. Now I'm going to put the corn tortilla on top. There you go. Okay. Again, it's a little bit too hot for me. I'm going to lower the temperature. Kind of press it down. Try to keep the cheese off the sides because that's what makes it smoky. And then I flip it and see that nice brown. Oh, yes, that's how you want it. Just to show you the inside. Yum. Needs a little bit more for the cheese to melt, and it's done. See how quick they are? Okay, I want to show you how to serve the finished product. So here are my cheese quesadillas. Yum. So I like to let them cool a little bit because if you cut them too quickly, the cheese just oozes out, which is not always a bad thing, but when you're trying to eat the quesadilla with the cheese inside, it's better if you wait a little bit. So here you go. So I cut them into quarters, and add some rice and beans to this, and you have a complete meal. Maybe even some salsa, just tomato, onions, garlic, vinegar, salt and pepper. And there you go. And of course I have to try this. So good. The cilantro just adds freshness. The onion adds a little kick, and that little red jalapeno, oh my God, so good. So good. I hope I have you convinced that corn tortillas are a great deal and good for you, and you can eat more of them for less calories, and they taste better. So much better. Sorry. Bye.